If you're looking to increase production without compromising on quality, the HR250 twin-head horizontal Resaw could be the right solution for your operation. It's a compact and efficient machine designed to help you get more boards from every can while keeping production running smoothly. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the HR250 and show you what makes it a reliable machine for modern wood processing. The HR250 is a twin-head horizontal Resaw designed mainly for pallet production, but also suitable for structural timber. Its task is simple. It processes cans or flitches and cuts them into 2 boards in a single pass. Thanks to the vertical arrangement of the 2 cutting heads, both boards are produced simultaneously. This improves efficiency and helps maintain stable dimensions even when working with stressed or uneven material. The HR250 is built for continuous industrial use where productivity and reliability are essential. The HR250 offers a maximum cutting width of 285 mm and height of 250 mm, covering typical pallet and lumber needs. Each head is driven by an independent electric motor up to 15 kilowatts, ensuring strong and stable cutting performance. Large 710 mm steel band wheels reduce vibration and extend blade life, improving overall stability. A belt conveyor feeds the material smoothly with adjustable speed from 5 to 25 meters per minute, depending on the application. Hold-down rollers stabilize the material during cutting, and optional double systems allow processing of multiple cans at once. The machine also features hydraulic electric blade tensioning for consistent precision and independent height adjustment for each head. An optional Setworks system allows fast digital setup of cutting thickness. Its simplified beltless design with stationary guides reduces maintenance and improves reliability in daily operation. Customers who use the HR250 in daily production often point to one thing first: reliability. The machine works steadily and predictably even when processing more demanding material.
Zdecydowanie to maszyna niezawodna. Pracuje u nas 3 tygodnie. Skończyły się problemy z przestojami, z awariami.
Trwałość brzeszczotów zdecydowanie się nam poprawiła.
It delivers consistent cutting quality and helps maintain accurate board dimensions throughout the shift. The HR250 also performs very well with both softwood and hardwood, providing stable results across different applications.
Maszyna HR250 sprawdza się bardzo dobrze. Pozwala ona na cięcie drewna o wysokiej jakości, utrzymuje wymiar i piły też nie pękają. Długa żywotność piły jest na tej maszynie.
Zadany wymiar jest praktycznie zawsze taki sam. Ja, jeżeli chodzi o taśmę, jeszcze czegoś takiego nie widziałem.
Users appreciate the long blade life and the reduced number of blade-related issues, which means fewer blade changes, less downtime, and smoother production. In short, the HR250 offers 3 key advantages: reliable operation, consistent cutting quality, and uninterrupted workflow. The HR250 twin-head horizontal resaw combines productivity, reliability, and simple operation in one compact solution. It is designed to improve efficiency and stability in pallet and lumber production while keeping operating costs low. See what the industrial products sales manager responsible for bringing HR250 to the market thinks about it.
Wprowadziliśmy model rozrzynawki HR250 na rynek, ponieważ chcieliśmy spełnić oczekiwania i wymogi rynku, który nieustannie i dynamicznie się zmienia. Głównie skupiliśmy się na rynku produkcji palet, ale zastosowanie maszyny jest nieco szersze. Możemy ją również z powodzeniem wykorzystywać do produkcji tarczycy konstrukcyjnej.
To get the most out of your HR250, we also recommend using Wood-Mizer bandsaw blades. They are designed to deliver reliable performance, accurate cuts, and long blade life across a wide range of applications. For more information, contact your local Wood-Mizer representative or visit our website. Thank you for watching.